Hey there, pool owners! Quick heads up before we dive in. If you want a special discount on the Aiper Seagull Pro, click the link in the description below. Alright, let's talk about your new poolside BFF. Imagine this. It's a sunny Saturday, your friends are coming over, and the last thing you want is to wrestle with hoses, tangled cords, or ancient pool nets. Enter the Aiper Seagull Pro, a cordless robotic pool cleaner that promises to bring the vacation vibe straight to your backyard. No cords, no external pumps, just one click and you're done. Seriously, it's like the Roomba for your pool, but cooler, because water. This thing tackles pools up to 3,200 square feet. So, unless you're living at Buckingham Palace, you're probably covered. Let's talk power. The Seagull Pro's got a quad motor system, the first of its kind, which means more suction, more scrubbing, and fewer excuses for a dirty pool. It cruises around your pool in these clever S&N patterns, so it's not just doing laps for fun. Floors, walls, even the waterline, this robot cleans it all. You've got cleaning modes too. Auto for the whole pool, floor only or wall only. Filter basket at the top, pull it out, rinse, and you're back in business. And when it's done, the Seagull Pro will park itself by the wall so you're not fishing it out like a soggy submarine. Now, real talk. Battery life can be a bit of a diva. The box says up to 3 hours, but some folks have seen less. And at over 21 pounds dry, you might skip arm day at the gym. But hey, at least you don't have to untangle cords. Safety note. Only use the official charger. Don't get creative, or you'll be in hot water. So if you want to make pool cleaning less of a chore and more of a set-it-and-forget-it deal, check out the Aiper Seagull Pro using the link below for your special offer. Go on, your weekends and your back will thank you. Don't forget to click the link in the description for your exclusive deal. Happy swimming!